the river bank. I'm crossing my legs in the hand mudra or hand position beside this powerful river bank. This mighty power has a humming sound, challenging eyes, a magnificent attractions which can settle and existed in numerous creatures among the civilized human societies all around the world. Different resources of water. Let's forget all the scientific measures about the pollution, purification of water and many more. Now you are listening the mighty challenging sounds right here of devastation which can wipe out the human settlements in a second. There is not any human technology to control and stop the nature power. So you are under the Salinadi and Mahadev temple river bank side. What you can do right now, enjoy with the mighty river sound falling in highly rapid grade. Just close your eyes and listen the sounds of waterfall. Slowly you'll enjoy because all your tired body parts and organs goes in rest. Your energy power will rise and rise and rise. If continue, you'll start to listen bird sounds often. After 15 to 20 minutes, all your senses will be switched off, especially logical gates of ears. Neuron system of brain will be stable. Then what? You will be in different world. You will be in different world, playing with the unknown person. If you are in bed, you will turn into deep sleep or relaxed position. So you can enjoy at the river bank of Salinadi physically, or you can enjoy wherever at you are. If you are in bedroom, where you can go deep sleep and you can sleep very well and you can enjoy. Thank you all. Chetana and begin. Thank you very much.